Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on a Google Pixel 6a using RAR app. So in order to do this, let's open RAR app. We've shown you how to download it in our other video. Now let's locate the files that we want to pack, and in my case it's in DCIM and then camera. Here's a few pictures, so let's pick 3 of them. Now click on this plus button. Here you'll be able to change archiving options, so you can pick a name, change extension for the file, enable any of the settings. You can also set the password for this file to encrypt it. So let's do that. You can move to advanced settings or options, then comments, and leave any description about this archive. But these are more advanced and it's not necessary to change them, so let's just stick with that. So here I will use a RAR extension. I will delete files after archiving and create solid archive. I will also change the name for the pictures. And now that everything is done, let's click on OK button. That way we'll create the pictures.rar. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.